Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to change vertical text to horizontal in After Effects. After starting After Effects, I add a purple background image as a background of composition. Now we can add text. We can use type tool, click and hold. We can choose horizontal type tool or we can choose vertical type tool. I choose vertical type tool and click on the composition, and then we can type. For example, I type after and effects. So we can see that the text is vertical. Now, if we want to change the vertical text to horizontal, make sure that we select the layer, and then make sure that we select the type tool, and I click it, and then we can right click, and we can choose horizontal, or we can choose vertical. So I go back to horizontal. So this is how we can change vertical text to horizontal in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.